You ever notice how some guys don't even look like models, but somehow they just stand out? They walk into a room and people pay attention. The truth is, being attractive isn't just about looks, it's about the skills you carry, the energy you give off, and the way you make people feel. So today I'm breaking down 10 most attractive skills every guy should have. Let's get into it. Good conversation. Being able to hold a proper conversation is underrated. Not small talk that dies after two sentences, but asking the right questions, actually listening, and making people feel heard. That's a skill that instantly separates you from the rest. Cooking basics. You don't need to be Gordon Ramsay, but knowing how to cook a decent meal is attractive. It shows independence, effort, and that you can actually take care of yourself. Bonus, it's also practical when you live alone. Fitness discipline. Not about having the biggest muscle, but showing that you can stay consistent with workouts, or even just say playing sports well. Physical skills signal discipline, energy, and confidence. Emotional control. Staying calm when others lose their cool, that's powerful. Whether it's handling stress, conflict, or setbacks, emotional stability is one of the most attractive things you can possess. Artistic skill. Whether it's drawing, designing, writing, or any kind of creative work, artistic expression shows depth. It makes people curious about you, and it adds a layer of uniqueness most guys don't have. Learning an instrument. There's something magnetic about being able to play an instrument. Guitar, piano, violin, whatever it is. It instantly signals patience, discipline, and confidence. Plus, music connects people in a way words often can't. Social intelligence. Reading the room, picking up on a body language, and knowing how to connect with different types of people, that's a skill that can change your life. It makes you naturally likable and respected in any setting. Being articulate. It's not about using big words. It's about expressing yourself clearly and with confidence. When you can say what you mean without stumbling, people listen. It makes you appear sharper and more attractive instantly. Humor. Not forced jokes, just having a natural sense of humor. Being able to make people laugh even in tough situations makes you magnetic and unforgettable. Social confidence. Introducing yourself, speaking clearly, and not being afraid to take up space. That social confidence makes people want to be around you, no matter what you look like. So yeah, looks fade, but skills stick with you for life. Start building these and you'll notice people treat you differently. Which of these 10 skills do you already have, and which one are you going to work on next? Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.